Vietnam, step by step, is your trusted companion on every journey, bringing you closer to the heart of Vietnam through authentic, immersive experiences. Today, let's embark together on an extraordinary adventure, paragliding above the breathtaking landscapes of Mu Cang Chai or Da Nang. These are not just places on a map. They are living stories, woven from the threads of culture, history, and nature, waiting to be discovered from a perspective few ever get to experience. Soaring high above, with the world unfolding beneath your feet, paragliding in Mu Cang Chai is a journey into the soul of the Northern Highlands. Nestled in the province of Yen Bai, Mu Cang Chai is renowned for its mesmerizing terraced rice fields, golden waves that ripple across the mountainsides, carved and cultivated by generations of Hmong and Thai people. Each September, when the rice turns to a rich amber, the region transforms into a tapestry of color, drawing travelers and photographers from across the globe. Here, paragliding is not only a sport, but a celebration of the land's beauty and the people's harmony with nature. The origins of paragliding in Mu Cang Chai trace back to the early 2010s, when adventurous souls sought new ways to appreciate the area's dramatic topography. Supported by local communities, the sport quickly became a symbol of connection between people and mountains, tradition and modernity. As you take flight, the silence of the sky is punctuated only by the wind, revealing panoramic views of endless terraces, winding rivers, and villages nestled among the hills. Below, farmers tend their crops, children wave from the fields, and the rhythm of daily life continues, as it has for centuries. Da Nang, on the other hand, offers a dazzling contrast. Known as the City of Bridges, Da Nang is a vibrant coastal hub where the Han River meets the East Sea. Paragliding above Da Nang is a dance between land and water, above marble mountains, with their ancient pagodas and mysterious caves, and over golden beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, the sport is infused with the city's dynamic energy, drawing both seasoned flyers and curious newcomers. The history of Da Nang is one of resilience and transformation. Once a quiet fishing village, it has grown into a cosmopolitan city, blending old and new in every corner. Paragliding is a relatively recent addition, but it quickly captured the imaginations of locals and travelers alike. From the sky, you'll witness the city's iconic bridges, Dragon Bridge, Han River Bridge, arching gracefully across the water, and the lush Santra Peninsula, home to rare languors and pristine forests. The experience becomes not just a thrill, but a meditation on the interplay between human achievement and natural wonder. Both destinations offer more than just paragliding. The journey begins long before you take to the air. Trekking through Mu Cang Chai's hills, you'll follow ancient footpaths that wind through bamboo groves and pine forests, passing stilt houses built from timber and stone. Local guides share stories of their ancestors, pointing out medicinal plants and hidden waterfalls. Along the way, you'll encounter bustling market villages, each alive with the colors and sounds of daily life. In Da Nang, adventure calls from every direction. Paddle a kayak along the Han River at sunrise, watching the city awaken in soft golden light. Cycle the coastal roads to the foot of Marble Mountains, then climb to panoramic viewpoints overlooking the city and sea. Every turn reveals a new vista: a fisherman casting his net, a group of friends sharing laughter over local coffee, a family picnicking beneath ancient banyan trees. No exploration of Vietnam is complete without indulging in its culinary treasures. In Mu Cang Chai, savor sticky rice cooked in bamboo tubes, infused with the subtle flavors of mountain herbs. Sample grilled river fish, caught fresh and served with wild pepper and mountain salt. Join a Hmong family for dinner, sharing bowls of corn wine and stories around a crackling fire. In Da Nang, feast on mi quang, turmeric-infused noodles topped with shrimp, pork, and fresh herbs. Taste banh xio, crispy rice pancakes stuffed with bean sprouts and seafood. The air is fragrant with lemongrass, chili, and the promise of discovery. One of the most rewarding aspects of these journeys is the chance to connect with local communities. In Mu Cang Chai, join villagers in traditional festivals, dancing to the rhythms of bamboo flutes and drums. Try your hand at weaving, guided by artisans who have mastered their craft over generations. Witness the joy in children's faces as they teach you their favorite games, or the pride in elders as they share tales of rice harvests and mountain legends. In Da Nang, immerse yourself in the city's vibrant street life. Visit bustling markets where vendors call out greetings, offering fresh fruit, handmade crafts, and fragrant spices. Join locals for morning Tai Chi on Mai Kay Beach, or share laughter with fishermen mending their nets at sunset. Every encounter is a reminder of Vietnam's warmth and resilience, of a people who welcome strangers as friends. Paragliding, trekking, kayaking, cycling, sharing meals. Each experience is a thread in the rich tapestry of Vietnam. The landscapes are spectacular, but it's the people who leave the deepest impression. Their smiles, their stories, their unwavering spirit. They are the heartbeat of every journey. As you soar above Mu Cang Chai or Da Nang, let your spirit rise with the wind. Feel the awe of nature's grandeur, the pulse of history beneath your wings, and the connection to a culture that thrives in harmony with its surroundings. Vietnam, step by step, is more than a guide. It's a companion, walking beside you as you uncover the wonders of Vietnam, step by unforgettable step. If these stories have inspired you, if the beauty of Vietnam calls to your sense of adventure and curiosity, we invite you to join us on future journeys. Like, share, and subscribe to Vietnam Step by Step. And together, we'll continue exploring the vibrant colors, flavors, and smiles that make Vietnam truly extraordinary. The next adventure awaits. Let's discover it side by side.